Did you know that the same compound responsible for the intense, fiery burn of a ghost pepper, the one that makes your eyes water and your mouth feel like it's on fire, might actually be a powerful ally for your health? That's right. The heat you feel isn't just a culinary dare. It's a chemical reaction with some surprising benefits. This compound, called capsaicin, is what gives chili peppers their signature kick. And while it might seem counterintuitive, research suggests that capsaicin could actually do your body good in more ways than one. Most of us think of that fiery sensation as something to avoid, a challenge for the brave or a prank among friends. But what if a little heat could actually be a secret ingredient for better health? Studies show that moderate consumption of spicy foods may help manage pain, reduce inflammation, and even give your metabolism a gentle boost. That means the same burn that makes you reach for a glass of milk could also help your body function better. It's a fascinating paradox. The very thing that causes discomfort on your tongue can actually bring relief elsewhere in your body. Capsaicin creams are even used to soothe sore muscles and joints. For centuries, cultures around the world have turned to chili peppers, not just to spice up their food, but as a natural remedy for a variety of ailments. From ancient folk medicine to modern kitchens, the chili pepper has always been more than just a flavor enhancer. Today, scientists are delving deeper, isolating capsaicin and studying its effects on the human body. The more we learn, the more we realize how this fiery molecule can influence our health in unexpected and positive ways. We're discovering that capsaicin may play a role in everything from weight management to heart health and even in supporting the body's natural defenses. So, let's dive in and separate the myths from the facts about this spicy compound. There's a lot of misinformation out there, but the real science is even more fascinating. We'll explore how capsaicin works in your body, from the moment it touches your tongue to the ways it interacts with your nerves and metabolism. We'll look at what it can do for you, whether you're seeking pain relief, a metabolism boost, or just a new way to add excitement to your meals. And most importantly, we'll talk about how to use it safely, because a little knowledge goes a long way when it comes to handling heat. Remember, this isn't about eating the world's hottest pepper or turning every meal into a fire challenge. It's about understanding the science behind the spice and how you can harness its benefits in a way that works for you. So, are you ready to add a little heat to your wellness toolkit? Let's unlock the spicy secret to a healthier, more vibrant life, one pepper at a time. The star of our show is capsaicin, the chemical that gives chili peppers their heat. Capsaicin is found only in spicy peppers, not in sweet varieties like bell peppers. It's the plant's natural defense, but humans have embraced it for its unique kick. The Scoville heat unit scale measures how much capsaicin is in a pepper, from 0 in bell peppers to over 2 million in superhots. Most of the heat is in the white membrane inside the pepper, not the seeds. When we talk about the health benefits of spicy food, we're really talking about capsaicin's effects on our bodies. It's a fat-soluble, colorless, and odorless compound that's become a hot topic in scientific research. From jalapenos to ghost peppers, capsaicin is the reason for the burn and the potential benefits. Nature's simple molecule, complex impact. Take a bite of something spicy, and instantly your senses are on high alert. That first burst of heat isn't just a flavor, it's a full-body experience. Your tongue tingles, your eyes might even water, and you can feel a wave of warmth spreading through your mouth. What's really happening is that capsaicin, the active compound in chili peppers, is making its way into your system. It's not just about taste. Capsaicin is a chemical messenger, and it's about to send your nervous system into overdrive. Capsaicin binds to special proteins on your nerve endings called TRPV1 receptors. These are the same sensors that detect actual heat and physical pain. When capsaicin latches on, it tricks your body into thinking you're in contact with something dangerously hot, even though the temperature hasn't changed at all. Your brain gets the message loud and clear. Suddenly, you start to sweat as your body tries to cool itself down. Your face flushes, your nose starts to run, and you might even feel your heart rate pick up. These are all classic signs of your body's emergency response, even though there's no real threat. You might reach for water or milk, desperate to put out the fire. But the heat you feel isn't real. It's a clever illusion created by your nervous system's reaction to capsaicin. Here's where it gets interesting. If you keep eating spicy foods, your body starts to adapt. With repeated exposure, those TRPV1 receptors become less sensitive. The more you challenge your system, the more it learns to handle the heat. This happens because capsaicin causes your nerve cells to release a neurotransmitter called substance P, which is responsible for sending pain signals to your brain. Over time, your nerves run low on substance P, and the pain signals get weaker and weaker. This process is called desensitization. It's why people who love spicy food can handle hotter and hotter peppers. Their nerves have literally been trained to ignore the pain. But it's more than just getting used to the burn. Capsaicin actually changes the way your nerves communicate pain, rewiring the pathways that send those signals to your brain. That's why capsaicin is used in medical treatments for chronic pain. Creams and patches containing capsaicin can help people with arthritis, nerve pain, and other conditions by reducing their sensitivity to pain over time. At first, there's a burning sensation, but as your nerves adjust, the pain fades away, leaving lasting relief. It's a powerful example of how a little discomfort can lead to real healing. In a way, capsaicin helps retrain your body's pain response, teaching your nervous system to react differently to pain signals. So the next time your mouth is on fire from a spicy meal, remember? Your nerves are learning, adapting, and becoming stronger. Capsaicin's fiery trick isn't just about making food exciting. It's a powerful tool, harnessed by both nature and science, to help us manage pain and build resilience. Sometimes, a little bit of discomfort is the first step toward lasting relief, and a reminder of just how adaptable our bodies can be. Beyond pain relief, capsaicin is a surprising ally against inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to diseases like arthritis and heart disease. Capsaicin helps by depleting substance P, reducing both pain and the inflammatory response. But it goes deeper. Capsaicin can inhibit the NF-kappa B pathway, a master switch for inflammation in your cells. This means it doesn't just treat symptoms, it targets the root of the problem. That's why researchers are studying capsaicin for a range of inflammatory conditions. Whether applied to a sore joint or eaten in food, it can help calm an overactive immune response. It's a reminder that a little controlled stress, like spice, can help your body manage bigger threats. Capsaicin isn't just a quick fix, it's a way to support your body's natural balance. The science is still evolving, but the potential is real. Sometimes the best medicine comes with a little heat. One of capsaicin's best-known uses is for joint pain, especially in arthritis. Topical creams and patches deliver capsaicin right where it hurts, avoiding the side effects of oral painkillers. The process is simple. Apply the cream, feel the initial burn, and over time pain signals fade as substance P is depleted. Consistency is key. Regular use retrains your nerves to be less reactive. The result? Less chronic pain, more mobility. Topical capsaicin is generally safe, with the main side effect being mild skin irritation that usually lessens with use. For many, it's a game changer, especially for those who can't take traditional pain meds. It's targeted, effective, and empowers people to manage pain directly. Just remember, patience and regular application are essential. Relief builds over time, not overnight. For joint pain, capsaicin offers a spicy solution. Can spicy food really boost your metabolism? Science says yes, at least a little. Capsaicin triggers thermogenesis, making your body burn more calories to produce heat. It also activates receptors in fat cells, releasing adrenaline and giving your metabolism a temporary lift. The effect is modest, but measurable. Capsaicin may even encourage white fat cells to act more like calorie-burning brown fat. While it's not a magic bullet for weight loss, it can support a healthy lifestyle. Think of it as a small boost, not a substitute for diet and exercise. Sprinkle some spice on your meals, and you might burn a few extra calories. Combined with good habits, every little bit helps. Capsaicin's metabolic kick is real. Just don't expect miracles. Add it to your routine for a gentle, spicy edge. Capsaicin doesn't just burn calories, it can help curb your appetite too. Studies show spicy foods increase feelings of fullness and reduce the urge to snack. The heat slows down your eating, giving your body time to register satiety. Capsaicin also triggers gut hormones like GLP-1, signaling your brain that you're full. The effect is strongest if you're not used to spicy foods, but it doesn't disappear with regular use. It's not a magic fix, but adding spice, especially at the start of a meal, can help you eat less overall. Mindful eating prompted by heat is a simple strategy for calorie control. Capsaicin works with your body's natural hunger signals. Try a spicy appetizer or soup to kick off your meal. Small changes can make a big difference in managing appetite. Spice up your meals, and you might find yourself reaching for fewer snacks. When it comes to heart health, capsaicin is an unexpected hero. Research suggests it can help lower LDL cholesterol by increasing its breakdown and reducing absorption. It also activates TRPV1 receptors in blood vessels, boosting nitric oxide and relaxing arteries, lowering blood pressure. Capsaicin's mild anti-clotting effects may help keep blood flowing smoothly. While it's not as strong as prescription meds, these effects add up. Regularly eating spicy foods could support a healthier heart. The evidence is promising, though more human studies are needed. Capsaicin's benefits touch cholesterol, blood pressure, and circulation. It's a flavorful way to add heart-smart habits to your diet. Sometimes the best health allies are hiding in plain sight. Don't overlook the power of a little spice for your heart. Capsaicin's benefits go beyond pain and heart health. It may support a healthy gut microbiome, promoting good bacteria and discouraging harmful ones. Early research hints at anti-cancer properties, with capsaicin inducing cell death in some cancer cells, though much more study is needed. Some studies link regular spicy food consumption to lower risks of premature death. While not a cure-all, capsaicin's wide-ranging effects are drawing scientific attention. It's a reminder that everyday foods can have surprising power. The story of capsaicin is still unfolding. Are you ready to add a little excitement and capsaicin to your daily routine? Spicing up your life doesn't have to mean burning your taste buds or risking discomfort. With a few simple steps, you can safely explore the world of spicy foods and enjoy their many benefits. The key is to start slow and really listen to your body's signals. Everyone's spice tolerance is different, so there's no need to rush. Begin by adding just a small sprinkle of spice to your meals and see how you feel. Try a pinch of cayenne or red pepper flakes in your favorite dishes, soups, stews, or even scrambled eggs. As you get more comfortable, you can gradually increase the amount, letting your palate adjust at its own pace. Experiment with both fresh and dried chili peppers. Add them to salsas, stir-fries, or marinades for a burst of flavor. If you want less heat, remember to remove the white membrane and seeds, as that's where most of the spiciness lives. When choosing hot sauces, look for those made with real peppers and minimal sodium. Read the labels carefully. Some sauces pack more heat than others, so start with milder options and work your way up. Capsaicin isn't just for eating, it's also used in topical creams and patches for joint pain relief. These are available over the counter, but always follow the instructions closely and wash your hands thoroughly after applying to avoid irritation. Remember, spicy foods can cause discomfort for some people, especially if you have digestive issues or are new to heat. It's perfectly normal to feel a little burn, but don't push yourself too far. If you notice irritation, heartburn, or any unusual symptoms, it's a good idea to cut back or consult your doctor. There's no shame in taking it easy. Your health always comes first. The ultimate goal is to enhance your health and enjoyment of food, not to cause discomfort or pain. Capsaicin has been linked to potential health benefits like boosting metabolism and supporting heart health. But moderation is key. Start with small amounts, go slow, and discover your personal spice level. You might even keep a journal to track which spices and amounts work best for you. Capsaicin is a powerful ingredient, but it's all about finding the right balance for your body and taste buds. Don't feel pressured to compete with others. This is your journey. Use spice as a tool to enhance your meals and well-being, not as a challenge to see how much heat you can handle. Enjoy the process of discovering new flavors and sensations. So gather your friends, try new recipes, and savor the journey to a spicier, healthier, and more flavorful life. One delicious bite at a time. We've explored how capsaicin can impact pain, inflammation, metabolism, and heart health. It's a reminder that simple food choices can have powerful effects. Remember, this isn't medical advice. Talk to your doctor before making big changes, especially if you have health conditions. Stay curious, keep learning, and focus on building healthy habits that last. Your health is your greatest asset. Invest in it with knowledge and small, positive steps. Whether it's adding a little spice or trying a new recipe, every choice matters. Be your own health advocate and enjoy the science on your plate. Stay healthy and keep life flavorful.